story. You would have more accept my appreciate them glory. Real. We smile, we ball, we rise.
Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. So you know so today Father's Day, right? And girl will be throwing it down in the kitchen. So guys, let me show you what I'm going to prepare. I'm not going to show you how I'm cooking it. I'm just going to keep you guys updated on what I'll be doing today for Father's Day. So guys, I have the peas in the pot here. You understand? I pre-cook the peas already, so the water kind of cold. That's right now boil up. I have the goat right here, so season up. You know, well seasoned. Some shrimp right here. Just see me. Yes, people, so. And I have some fish also. I'll put it in the oven. Yes, people. Yes, she. Yes, she. Yes, sure. Some shrimp in my pot. Over right now. You guys see the goat there? I'm gonna throw some water on it now. And look over here, so there's the rice and peas. Well, the rice not going there yet, but the peas is cooking. We have the shrimp over here, and the fish is in the oven. The shrimp is finished. Look at that. Get into it. You want some? So yes, guys, this is my rice and peas. I'm not about to say the rice white. I just throw them peas in America or them stay. But gal rice tastes good and gal rice shell. You know, see, you can count rice, mice and nice. Yes, yes, she right this. So guys, please remember to subscribe. So guys, I'll be making some coconut corn. So you see the corn boil up. This is what it first look like. You will see the finishing product. Everything could not go into one stuff, so I have to put it in two different stuff, guys. To get into it, please remember to subscribe to my channel. I'm gonna put the seasoning in this. So the curry chicken, the muesli, guys, this is the goat. Don't. This is the goat. Ask you if the goat tastes good. Me, now ask you. Watch nice goat. Get into it, get every detail. This is my curry chicken. I'm already showing the goat already. See that, people? Full of goodie. Yes, guys, please remember to subscribe. But still a cook. I don't know where the dirty flyer comes from, you know. Guys, that's shrimp. That's shrimp. So that's nice, no? What is going on right now in my kitchen? This is the curry chicken. Get into every details. This is my goat right here. Curry goat, cooked by me. So some shrimp right here. I have fish in the oven. We have some corn right here, so. Some rice and peas. This is another sneak peek. Official video will be on my YouTube channel. Fish right here, so. Talk to me nice. Fish right here, so. Talk to me nice. Time to do some oven jerk, then my coleslaw, then I will see the finishing product of everything. This is the coleslaw. My phone battery dead, so it kind of dim. So I go on there. That is the last thing on the menu. It's gonna be the cake. So guys, please remember to subscribe to my channel. I just sit back and relax and wait for the finishing product of my videos, okay? Some oven jerk chicken, guys. I didn't do a lot. Got enough curry chicken and stuff like that, guys. Just a few pieces. Hey, baby J there.
Which one?
This is my brother right here. This is Grandma. Mr. Brown. Daddy Mocha there. Tell them to them love for you, see them in the coffin. Tell them this one, brother.
Yes, we're having a good time. Music was playing in the background. And you know your girl don't want to
just to get
no
one more
right?
minute.
So she have to do a voiceover. Look for nice food in a plate. People, I'm going to come and sit on the table. Y'all will enjoy.
I had a close one yesterday.
Please, before you go down, go in the studio.
Just Granny. Just Granny, drink your Granny, drink your wine.
Really?
Oh, you drink wine, do a Granny. You're a Granny.
No wine.
The mercy I got, Granny.
Got my picture, did you? That's rice and peas. I just sent you the picture. Yep. And it's gold.
Where your phone?
Yeah, it's in the garage. Yeah, that's what I'm. First time trying it, so you know. I promise you'll be good. No.
People, as you can see, everybody have fun. And we are eating and we talk about the food. I know the food nice and yet and all these things, people. Please remember to subscribe and share my video, guys. Please share my video. Tell a friend about life with Curry, guys. Remember the first person that comment on my post will receive a post notification shout out, guys.
Time your heart too big, my lord. Them will take you for your full lord. This is why me not like you, man. Guys, the song, they are a real song. But tell us so we have fun. We laugh, we chat, we listen to music. We go on out with self. I don't know if anyone know the depth on my Instagram live. I just say Bullseye. I just say Volcano check in. I see a couple people check in on my Instagram live and they're taking the happenings of what they really have. Go on! Curry, that's thing, you know. Watch Curry with watermelon. I'm not lying. Boy, I'm going with myself, you know. Only if YT could have allowed me. But just play my music. But yes, guys, please remember to subscribe to my video. Share my video. Tell a friend about my video. And I want to thank each and every one of you who watch my video. Bless upon yourself. I don't know, Life with Curry has to love each and every one of you guys. Thank you for continually supporting me. It was a whole choir in the house. I did want whole choir. But I'm going to tell us so we have fun. But the melon sweet me, you know, more than anything else. The melon did sweet me more than anything else, people. But not like, them going with themselves, you know. Them going with themselves, people. Have you ever? I need you to set me free. Take me far away from the battle. I need you to shine on me. I look to you. Whoa, I look to you. Guys, when I was younger, this was one of my favorite songs. I love this song so much, guys. Please remember to subscribe to my video. Look at my grandmother. She's having a good time. She's enjoying the music. I was even surprised grandma know that song. She was singing, she stand up, she wave her hand here. That's my sister there. Yeah, we was having a good time, like sitting around the table, eating, laughing and talking, running jokes. It was everything, guys. I know you guys are enjoying my video and I really do appreciate that you guys are enjoying it. Guys, we reached the end of this video. What are you waiting for if you haven't subscribed as yet? And what are you waiting for if you haven't liked? Thank you guys. Bye.